This is why you need to keep an eye on NIO stock. Thinking of investing in NIO? You're not alone. NIO, one of China's top electric vehicle makers, has the potential for major growth by 2025. But with a few risks. Let's dive into the analysis. Experts suggest that NIO stock could potentially reach up to $52.63 by 2025. With plans to expand globally and introduce innovative services like battery as a service, NIO is on the road to growth. These strategies could attract more buyers and investors as the EV market continues to boom. But it's not all smooth sailing. NIO faces big challenges like intense competition from Tesla and XPeng, along with supply chain issues that could impact production. Some conservative estimates even project NIO stock closer to $15 in 2025. So, will NIO stock grow by 2025? The potential is there, but so are the risks. Investors might consider a cautious approach and keep a diversified portfolio. If you want to stay updated on stocks and investments, make sure to hit subscribe.